Alright, this is 1016 San Remo Circle in Largo. And I've got the water running because there is a sag in the line. But with the clean water running, we can look at the bottom of the pipe and make sure it's not broken. So when we got here, this was just completely filled with grease. And what we want to make sure is that there's no broken pipe. When the pipe's broken, it's really obvious. It'll look like the Grand Canyon. And the bottom of the pipe is in the bottom right hand corner. Got a little bit of debris just washed through from inside. But I've been flushing the toilet and running everything. So we're going to get all the way to the end of this guy, and then we'll record it all the way out. But everything looks good. I don't see anything broken. So there's the end of the stack. I'm going to go flush the toilet again, and then I'll record it all the way back. Alright, so we've got the line completely filled with water now. So we can take a look at the pipe. That's where the kitchen and the tub's coming in. We couldn't even see that earlier. There was so much grease. You can see it down there off to the left-hand side. That's what was completely plugged. So you can see we got some hot water going in. I've got the tub running too. So the bottom is actually on the right side. The top on the left, the black that looks like a crack on the left side, that's just air bubbles in the top of the pipe. So the pipe itself it definitely has a sag to it, but I don't see anything broken. It looks good. Usually when there's a crack, it'll look like, here, let me mute this. This. Alright, so you guys can see where I was kind of coming uphill there towards the end, but the whole pipe is clean, nothing's cracked, nothing's broken. I'd recommend Scott tissue toilet paper and a pressure assisted toilet. Thanks for watching.